Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bob Blue. In this video, I'll show you how to create a restore point on your computer. So without wasting much time, let's jump straight in the video. And please subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel. Like this video, and then you can drop a comment if you have any problem with this video. Thank you. So when you on your screen, go to your search bar, and then you can search create restore point. So you can tap in restore point, and then you see create a restore point, and then you double click on create your restore point. And then while on the screen, you can see we have configuration, we have create, we have system restore. So the purpose of creating this system restore point is to recover your computer back in this state whenever your computer have a problem or start to misbehave in the future. So click on configuration so you can get the basic configuration done, and after that you click on create. So first let's configure it. You click on configure it, you try to create a space for your restore point, so you can increase it if you like, but just going to set this on full keep, and then I'm just going to apply, and then I click OK. So make sure to turn on protection, system protection up there. Make sure it's turned on, and then click apply. So when you're done, you click OK, and then you click create. So when you click create, now they'll ask you to name your restore point. So as for me, I have several restore point on this computer. For me to remember this restore point, I'll just put 2023, and then I put them on. So at least I will be able to remember the time in which I created this restore point. So after renaming your restore point, you click create. So don't forget, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be dropping more video on operating system, and then I'll be uploading it on my channel. So after renaming, you just click create, and you start to create a restore point. Give it some time, and then it will create a restore point for you. Very simple. This is how to create a system or create a restore point on your computer. So you can see restore point was created successfully. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and drop a comment. Thank you.